great features I enjoy about the MPC 4000 is its ability to synchronize with a system called Aksys. In this video, I will demonstrate some of the features of the Aksys software and how I use it to interact with the MPC 4000. Once you have installed the Aksys software and the required drivers for the MPC 4000, click on the Aksys icon and the Aksys interface will open as such. In the left hand pane, you'll see the MPC 4000. If you expand that, you can see the memory, which includes the samples, programs, and multis within the MPC. So I'm going to click on samples and then just drag a loop over so you can see how easy it is to transfer files back and forth from the MPC 4000 using Aksys. It's just a simple drag and drop operation, and the sample is immediately available for playing on the MPC 4000. In addition to easy file transfer, Aksys also provides excellent mixing and editing capabilities via the multi-sub menu as demonstrated here.